During deep sleep, our brains engage in a vital process of self-cleaning. This nightly maintenance routine is essential for maintaining optimal brain health and function. But how exactly does this remarkable cleansing process occur? Research has revealed that blood vessels in the brain rhythmically constrict and dilate, driving waves of cleansing fluid through the organ. This fluid helps flush out waste products that accumulate during our waking hours. This rhythmic movement is akin to a gentle massage, ensuring that the brain remains free of potentially harmful debris. A key player in this process is a molecule called noradrenaline. Noradrenaline causes blood vessels to constrict, powering the brain's natural cleansing system. During deep sleep, levels of noradrenaline fluctuate, facilitating the rhythmic constriction and dilation of blood vessels, which is crucial for effective waste removal. Deep sleep is not just about rest. It is a critical period for the brain's housekeeping activities. Without sufficient deep sleep, waste products can accumulate, potentially leading to cognitive decline and other neurological issues over time. Thus, quality sleep is essential for brain health. Understanding the brain's self-cleaning mechanism highlights the importance of prioritizing deep sleep. By ensuring we get enough restful sleep, we support our brain's natural ability to cleanse itself, promoting overall cognitive health and well-being.